Hello. This time we are going to configure the sleep mode in an LCV5 device. We will show the best configuration to connect the equipment in a trailer, motorcycle or forklift. First, we are going to configure the global settings and then, we are going to disable the wireless in case we are not using it. Now we will configure the ignition detection. In this case it can be DIN 4 or if it is used in a trailer, we can set it as movement or speed. In the third step, we are going to configure the time that elapses once the device detects that it has no ignition. In this case we will set it to 30 seconds, and by default, all the modules will be disabled. In case we want to have any active module, we can enable it. Now we are just going to configure the common IOs. In case we need to configure CAN bus reading, we can do this also in this area. To avoid excessive or additional consumption we will cancel if we do not need towing detection or impact detection. Let's send this configuration to the device and run some tests. We can see here in the datasheet the average consumption for 12 volts. We are now going to carry out a test on the bench with the configuration previously loaded to the device. We see that the device is in normal operation, with an approximate consumption of 150 milliamps. Now device connects to the server and is sending the records it has stored. It is with a consumption of 210 milliamps. It will soon go to sleep mode. Well, we see the sequence of LEDs blinking at the same time, and we see that the consumption is the lowest that we have, which is around 6 milliamps. In this case, as we have seen, all the modules are disabled, and the equipment has the lowest possible consumption. We are going to connect the ignition, that is, DIN 4 to a positive voltage to wake up the device since it is a high priority event. With this, the device wakes up as we discussed. Depending on the configuration of the ignition it can be movement or speed. Thanks for your time.